Assalamu alaikum. My name is Satya Sayal and I am studying beauty therapy at CISD funded by NAVTTC. In this course, I have learned about skincare treatments, different types of facials like manual facials, hydra facials, and makeup techniques and salon managements. We also gain knowledge about the different types of skins like oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, normal skin, and different problems and skincare treatments related to these types of skins. We also gain knowledge about client consultations, like how we deal with our client in these skin treatments. And we also learn about the professional beauty procedures. We also practice these skills in professional environment, which boost our confidence level. And after the completion of this course, I have planned to open my own salon or work in the beauty industry. I sincerely thank NAVTTC and CISD for providing us this opportunity.